point of time na napakaraming kabataan ang madaling ma-depress dahil sa mga nakikita nila, naririnig sa social media. Ang buhay mo ay buhay mo. Walang sino mang pwedeng dumikta hanggat hindi ka nakakaapak ng kahit sino mang tao.
What's been the most picture-perfect moment in your life?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As a child, I grew up something which was always instilled in my mind, who happens to be that my mother is an educator. She's a retired secondary school principal teacher back there in our province in Samar. She always taught me that nobody is created perfect in this world. But then again, from imperfection, you can make it beautiful along with the struggles. So definitely make the thing as possible as the most powerful thing that you could have. And with that question, I should say the most perfect advantage, or should I say, that I can say about my life is that my being. Everybody has been always asking, why are you still joining the beauty pageant? Everybody has been asking, might you know this a little bit? Ang tandaan niya, ba't sali pa siya ng sali? What's the reason behind it? To be who I am, and to be a transgender woman and a member of the LGBTQIA+, has a beautiful life to share. And I may say that maaring ang iba, tawang-tawa, maaring ang iba sa likod ng palakpak na iinggit, maaring ang iba inis na inis. Mag-aapat na dekada na yung number 5 sali pa din ang sali. You do not know my story, and I am embracing it, that I am imperfect, a missed thing. My body will definitely change. Of course, someday magkaka-wrinkles ako, pero hanggang pinapalakpakan niyo ako, sasali at aakyat ako sa entablado hanggang may matutunan ang mga kabataan sa ngayon. So I begin with that by saying, back there in my province, my father is a soldier. And because he is a soldier, ayaw niya ng bakla. Lagi ako nabubugbog, sumalangit nawa, namatay siya, pumanaw siya year 2021. Hindi ko alam bakit ayaw niya ng bakla. It was a big disgrace. So with that, at an early age, I tell my life, my personality. At 7 years old, I know that I'm different. I'm not a straight guy. So ipinagpatuloy ko because there's something in me which is very special. And because of me, I'm 49 years old this time, this day, joining beauty pageant, 8 sa mga kapatid ko, napagpatukos ko ng kolehiyo dahil sa kakaakyat panaog ng intabladong ito. So if I'm always being asked of what's the picture perfect about my life, uulit-ulitin ko kahit magsawa kayo dahil kahit sa korte, pag binago ang iyong mga sinasabi, makukulong ka. Buhay ko ito at patuloy kong ipapamahagi sa lahat dahil wala akong ikinakahiya maging bakla man ako. A parent should definitely not dictate their daughter, their son, whatever they have in the future. Instead, it is imperative or importante yan na mas suportahan nyo. Because your decision might change one's individuality, especially in this point of time na napakaraming kabataan ang madaling ma-depress dahil sa mga nakikita nila, naririnig sa social media. Ang buhay mo ay buhay mo. Walang sino mang pwedeng dumikta hanggat hindi ka nakakaapak ng kahit sino mang tao. So I would live and have the chance to say with this to all of you, my life would be different from yours and mine. Other people will be thinking na puro siya madrama. It all began in drama because nobody is created perfect. From my imperfection that my dad had obscured of what I want in my life, I want to say to all of you, once candidate number 5 was a victim. But because I pursue whatever I want in my life, tonight I have to say, my picture-perfect story of my life, I became victorious from being a victim. Thank you.
That is candidate number 5, Miss Metrica Me Santino. Thank you very much, Miss